An insurance company insured 2,000 scooter drivers, 4,000 car drivers, and 6,000 truck drivers. The probability of an accident are 0.01, 0.03, and 0.15 respectively. One of the insured persons meets with an accident. What is the probability that he is a scooter driver? So here the problem is based upon three events. We'll assume E1 as the event of representing insured persons as a scooter, E2 for a car, and E3 for the truck drivers. And the A is a event, there we are going to take it as the insured person meets with an accident. And we should apply the Bayes theorem in order to solve the problem. So first we'll take three events, that is known as let E1 comma E2 comma E3 are the events. E1 comma E2 comma E3 are the events representing insured persons, represents insured persons, or the insured persons are scooter, the next one is a car, and truck drivers, separately or respectively. So even E2, E3 are the events where the insured persons are scooter, car, and truck drivers respectively. And here we'll take it as let A is the event. Let A is the event representing. Let A is the event representing one of insured person. One of the insured person met with an accident. Met with an accident. Now, first we'll calculate the total insured persons, that is from scooter, car, and as well as the truck drivers. So we'll write it as 2000 plus 4000 plus the next one is 6000, so that it makes 12,000. Now we'll calculate first P of E1, that is the probability of taking the event where the insured person is a scooter. So we'll write it as 2000 by 12,000. Then we'll write it as 1 by 6. Let P of E2 is the event where the insured person is a car. So we'll write it as 4,000 by 12,000. Then it makes on cancellation 1 by 3. P of E3 is the probability where the insured person is a truck driver. So the probability can be written as 6,000 by 12,000. That makes 1 by 2. Now we'll go for the next one, that is P of probability, that is P of A by E1, where that is a probability of the accident given that the driver is a scooter driver. The driver is a scooter driver. Then we'll write it as a 0.01. While the next one is P of A by E2, where we can say that the probability of the accident given that the driver is a car driver. The driver is a car driver, where we will write it as 0.03. While the next one is P of A by E3, where the probability of the accident given that the driver is a truck driver, where the driver is a truck driver, then that is equals to 0.15. Now we'll take the probability by applying the Bayes theorem. that is P of E1 by A is equals to, we'll write it as P of E1 into P of A by E1 by, the next one is we'll write it as P of E1 into P of A by E1 plus P of E2 into P of A by E2 plus P of E3 into P of A by E3, that is equals to P of E1, we'll write it as 1 by 6 into 0.01 by 1 by 6 into 0.01 plus 1 by 3 into 0.03 plus 1 by 2 into 0.15. So by simplification of this, they will get the answer as 1 by 50.